684. We're going to go over the 684 deltas and let's get going. Okay, in ARTGIRL shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, within the main function of this shader, if we scroll down here, we've declared some more variables. So it's way down here. Oh my god, where the fuck are they? Oh my god, did we not declare more variables? I guess we didn't. I guess I'm a fucking liar. In render collected binary tiles, we have some macros for the monochrome color scheme for the bomb tiles and the monochrome color scheme for the Fada tiles. And you can pause here to read that. Let's scroll down here and see where we're using that. So in the selected tile type for selecting or getting kind of ready for the bomb code, the bomb rendering code, we forgot to get the V16 tile. So that's what we're doing here. We're shifting out the 4 bits in the binary tile for the bomb graphic data. We're getting out the V16 value. So if that V16 value is non-zero, then we're going to do all of this rendering code to render it. And all of this code is identical to this code up here, right? All we're doing is we're kind of switching around some of the values that are used in this block up here, right? You see DIL here, you see DU9 here, you see V16 here. So we're just switching all that up, and then we're copy pasting code. So yes, we could potentially make some type of include file or whatever, but I'm gonna keep this stupid fucking simple and just cut paste code where I see it fit, right? So this block of code grabs the correct image element, the correct binary pixel out of our 9x9 graphic and stores it in this bit. And if the bit is set, we use this color, the brighter color. Otherwise, we use the darker blue. Okay, down here, we're going to select the next tile type. So we're going to undef our lookup table and set our lookup table to be V16 to U81 Fada graphics, Fada for flames and damage. And we're going to set these 3 values because they are in this cut-pasted block of code. So the number of discrete internal local coordinate of the Fada tile, the number of discrete units in the tile divided into 9, and that's on the Fada tile, and then the binary tile payload is where we're gonna extract the V16 value from. So right here, redundant code, just getting the correct binary tile. If it's 1, we set the bright blue. If it's 0, we set the dark blue for the bomb graphic. And we got to undef our stuff after we're done. Good housekeeping. Like and subscribe. I am out of time.